Listen, if you've been entering trades and getting stopped out before the real move, this video might be the one that finally changes everything. Before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who keeps missing entries, because what you're about to learn is how smart money actually moves the market. And quickly, this is not financial advice. This content is for educational purposes only. Always manage your risk and trade responsibly. In this video, I'm going to break down a powerful concept called the power of three. You'll learn how the market moves in three phases, where smart money enters and exits, how to time your entries, and most importantly, how to stop being the liquidity. Now look closely at the image on your screen, everything you need is right there. The market moves in three phases: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. First, accumulation. Look at the left side of the chart. Price is moving sideways, small candles, low volatility. This is where smart money is quietly building positions. Most retail traders ignore this phase because it looks boring, but this is where moves begin. Next, manipulation. Now look at the middle. You see that aggressive push? That's where the market creates a fake breakout. Retail traders jump in thinking the move has started, but this is actually a trap. Smart money is creating liquidity. Then comes distribution. Look at the right side. Price drops aggressively. This is the real move. This is where smart money profits, and where most retail traders get caught on the wrong side. Here's the key lesson. The biggest mistake traders make is entering during manipulation. The best entries come after manipulation, when the real move begins. So how do you trade this? First, identify accumulation, a range or consolidation. Second, wait for manipulation, a fake breakout. Third, enter on confirmation of the real move, distribution. Now let's talk entries, stop loss, and target. Entry comes after the manipulation phase when price starts reversing. Stop loss goes above the manipulation high if you're selling, or below the manipulation low if you're buying. Target previous lows or liquidity zones. Simple. Clean. Effective. Here's a pro tip. Never chase breakouts. Let the market show its hand first. If you're entering too early, you are the liquidity. Smart money doesn't trade randomly. They follow a process. And now you understand that process. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with another trader. And if you want daily setups and deeper breakdowns, join AFTechTrades on Telegram. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.